day in the middle of nowhere. Where are we, Brant? Where are we? BFE! More of this sweet unit. That is a brand new Benson 524, a 2018 Peterbilt 389. This is my friend Brants. It's decked out. Puts mine to shame. Yeah, that is a sweet ride. Damn, he's got the heater cranked and everything. Yeah, it's a very nice ride. Got the pedal extension on here. Yeah, it's nice. Nice exhaust. I like the regular style Alcoa wheels. They ain't a lot better than the Peterbilt style wheels. You probably get a lot of heat for that, but they do. Make it nicer. Set of heavy fenders. I like the Morocco welding style fenders. This cool toolbox on deck plate. He added some lights. Added some more lights. What a nice ride. As we sit here in the middle of nowhere. Doing windmill stuff. There's a proud owner. Oh, and I disappeared. Lift axle on the trailer. Same as my Rettenauer, but brand new. Proud owner of truck and trailer. This is some real like ice road trucker shit going on here. So here we go.
How's your car, Brant?
Car. Oh, back up.
I ain't come up around you.
This is a maneuver. And there goes Brant around the hairpin. The 15th one of the day. In the ditch. Yeehaw. I want to thank you guys for checking in and watching the videos I post. Have a great Thanksgiving with your families. Enjoy the holiday. I'll be back at it making some videos here really soon. I'm 2 days out of surgery for a hernia repair. So as soon as I get back to it, you guys will see more of what I got going on.